Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use data table in Excel. So to know how to use data table, we have created a loan amount here which is somewhere around 10 lakhs, an interest and a time which is 5 years. So from that we will find out what will be our installment. To find out the installment, we just put equal to here and type minus PMT because we have to pay, therefore we are using a minus in front of PMT. Then we will just press shift and 9 button and just open the bracket, and here it will ask rate. The rate is 8%, which is for yearly, as we have to pay the installments in monthly basis, so we will divide it by 12, so that will be our monthly installment. Then we will press comma, and after that what will be our, it will ask about number of payment. NPR means number of payment. So number of payment is for 5 years, so we will multiply it by 12, so we have to pay 60 installment. 5 years, in every year there are 12 months, so 60 installments we have to pay. Then we will again put a comma and then just type this our loan amount, which is PMT, and then we just close the bracket and press enter. So we will find out our installment. So this is our installment of the loan which we have taken from the bank monthly. Now in the data table, suppose we take a condition like if our interest rate is 7% or 8%, and we just drag it till 13%. So what will be the what will be our installment? Like if our interest rate will increase or decrease, like it will either go to 6% also, or either it will go to 7%, or it will may remain the same 8%. What will be our installment? For that, what we will do, we will go here and just we have written them in a column way, so we go just here in just in this cell and press equal to and just copy this B7. So we have this installment here. Now we will just select this area, and after selecting it we go to data, and from here we have to choose what if analysis and go to data table. So there are two input, row input cells and column input cells. So here we go to column input cell and just go to our interest, which is 8%, and just click over it and press OK. So now we find our interest rate, as our interest rate will change. So according to that our installment is shown. Similarly, we will take the years also in this area, like if we will take like 4 years, in this time we will take it in years. So we go here and just take it journal, and here we will take 5, here we will take 6, just make it journal first of all, 5, 6, and I just drag it till it's not working out, so I just make it journal first of all. I just remove this, go there, take it journal and put 6 here, just drag it till 11. So now we have data in this manner. Now I go here in just front of it, press equal to and just select this and press enter. Now I will select this area which include our installment and our years also. Now I go to the data table from here, what if analysis, and just press data table, and in place of row input I press this time and press OK, and just increase its size so it will show our, I just go to this area and just increase its size, so you can find our interest according to our years. What will be the our installment according to our years? So it will show according to our years. Suppose like this is the way we can use row and column separately. And next part, what we will do, we will use them together. It's like we have an interest here also, like just this interest rate is there, I just copy this here, and we also have this time also, like I will take it till, we also have a time here, I put the time here, like 9 years is our time. Like what will be the interest what will be our installment if the interest is 6%, if 7%, 8%, and we have put in formula, and we also have a formula here in this area here. So what we need to do, we go here and press equal to and just select the percentage and press enter. So we have a installment here. Now we will select this complete area, then I will go to what if analysis, data table, and in the row column what we need to do, in rows we have this years, so I just press on years, and in column I press on interest, and then just press OK. So we have installments according to our years and interest, and according to the rate of interest. So we are getting this. So this is the way we can use data table in our sheet to find out installment rate using the PMT function. So that's all from this video, friends. Thanks for watching this. For more, subscribe with us.